As we come to the conclusion of our presentation, allow me to summarize and emphasize the importance of the Global Power City Index or GPCI and why is it matter in understanding how other cities perform on a global scale. A Global Power City Index is a more than just a ranking of cities. It is a valuable analytical tool that helps us evaluate how cities operate, grow, and interact in today's interconnected world. It provides a comprehensive way to measure cities' strengths and weaknesses across different areas such as the economy, environment, the accessibility, livability, and cultural interactions. By doing this, the GPCI gives us a clearer picture of what makes a city truly powerful, not just economically but also socially and environmentally. For example, a city may be have a strong economy, but if it lacks environmental sustainability or cultural inclusiveness, then it cannot be considered a fully developed or competitive global city. And the index was developed with the idea that urban development is multidimensional. It reminds us that city must strike a balance between progress and sustainability. Through the GPCI, urban planners, policymakers, and even ordinary citizens can understand what needs to be improved in order to make their city more livable and competitive. By analyzing the result of the GPCI, leaders and investors can make informed decisions about where to focus their efforts, whether that's improving public transportation, creating greener spaces, or encouraging cultural exchange at university. In other words, the GPCI becomes a guide for smart development and responsible governance. It also plays a major role in promoting healthy competitions among the cities around the world. Every cities want to rise in the rankings, and this healthy sense of competition encourage innovation, creativity, and cooperation. Cities are inspired to implement new strategies, modernize infrastructures, and adopt sustainable practices, all of which contribute to improving the quality of the life of the residents. But the GPCI is not about a ranking of competition, it is also about connections. It highlights how cities are linked globally through business, culture, technology, and even technological challenges. It encourages collaboration rather than rivalry, showing that the progress in one city can inspire to others to follow. Furthermore, the GPCI promotes global awareness. It reminds us that the challenges cities face today, such as pollution, traffic congestion, overpopulation, and inequality, are not just local issues. They are a global concern that requires global understanding and cooperations. In the long run, the Global Power City Index encourages cities to become more innovative, inclusive, and sustainable. It pushes leaders to think beyond short term economic goals and instead focus on the long term well being of both people and the planet. Ultimately, the GPCI teaches us that the urban power is not measured by skyscraper or financial strength alone. It is measured by how well a city serves its citizens, preserves its environment, and adapts to the changing needs of the world. So, for the last in conclusion, the Global Power City Index is not just about the research tool. It is a vision for the future cities. It gives us a roadmap towards global progress, reminding us that the best cities are not the only rich and modern, but also sustainable, connected